Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking Emma Frost into your team composition. Pick her when you need control and burst. Once selected, swap to a loadout that reduces cooldowns and increases psychic damage because her cards scale with ability uptime. Make sure to add 2 utility mods, one that boosts survivability and one that amplifies damage. You'll open matches by positioning for early mind control attempts and immediately prioritize using her crowd control to shape engagements in your favor. Now you shift into the meat of the match by chaining Emma's mind control into a psychic burst. This creates guaranteed high-value damage, and it denies enemy responses. While doing that, use her telepathic zoning to peel for teammates and isolate a single target for focus fire. Also, be mindful of your energy and ultimate economy. Conserve at least 1 ultimate charge for clutch plays later, because a late-game mind control can swing objectives and teamfights decisively. To finish fights, time Emma's ultimate to interrupt enemy combos or to lock down a high-priority target during an objective push. Hitting key players wins rounds. If your crowd control is getting cleansed or avoided, don't stay exposed. Reposition behind lines and activate your defensive mods to survive and reset. After the match, review what counters you faced and swap loadout items to address them. Iterating this way makes your Emma tailored and far more reliable in future games.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.